Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 to 67 Chevrolet A-body rear molding kits by Resto Parts, original parts group's in-house brand. Available for Coupes and El Caminos, each kit comes in a complete set to restore your entire rear window. These are roll formed and die stamped from stainless steel to identical factory specifications for perfect fit and finish. Correctly formed ends allow for a smooth installation as each piece slides into place. Final phase of production, every molding is polished to perfection, giving it a mirror-like finish. To complete your kit, don't forget to purchase your window mold and clip set, which is available separately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.